In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stunning social media posters in Canva. We'll start with a solid foundation, apply your brand style, and use Canva's tools, like background remover, image blending, and AI features, to craft visuals with strong typography, clean layouts, and depth. Begin by opening Canva and choosing a ready-made template or a blank canvas. Templates are great for inspiration. A blank canvas gives full control. Pick a layout that fits the vibe, bold and energetic, or minimal and elegant. You can tweak everything as you go. Next, bring in your brand colors and fonts. Set 1 or 2 primary colors and a single accent color for emphasis. Choose a confident, readable headline font, paired with a simpler font for body text. Apply your brand kit if available to keep everything cohesive. Add your main image or subject. Use Canva's background remover to isolate it and clean up the composition. Zoom in to refine edges, and adjust brightness or contrast to make it pop. For creative integration, use the image editor to blend layers, lower transparency, or try blend modes to merge textures and images intentionally. Leverage Canva's AI features to speed up decisions. Generate alternative backgrounds, layout suggestions, or pull color palettes from images. Treat AI as a helpful assistant, accept ideas that support your message. Focus on typography. Craft a short, clear headline, use size, weight, and color for hierarchy, and ensure strong contrast with the background. Add a semi-transparent shape behind text or adjust background brightness if needed. Keep the layout clean. Align elements to an invisible grid, group related items, and leave breathing room around focal points. Less clutter equals more impact. Finally, add depth with shapes, effects, and elements. Use simple frames, subtle glows, or drop shadows to separate subjects. Layer elements behind and in front to create dimension, keeping effects restrained for a polished look.